Sample number 5. Find the area of a trapezoid with a height of 11 feet and base of 15 feet and 25 feet. Magdodrawin tayo ng trapezoid. Ang base 1 natin ay 15 feet. Ang base 2 natin ay 25 feet. Ang height natin ay 11 feet. Ngayon, isusulat na natin yung formula ng trapezoid. A equals, open parenthesis, base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. Open parenthesis, 15 feet plus 25 feet times 11 feet divided by 2. 15 feet plus 25 feet equals 40 feet. Open and close parentheses. 11 feet. Close parentheses. Equals. Divide 2. 40 feet times 11 feet equals 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. Bring down 0. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Bring down 4. Ang sagot natin ay 440 centimeter per feet divided by 2. 440 divide 2. 440 divide 2. 2 divide 4 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Bring that. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 2. Bring down 4. 2 divide 4 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 0. Copyin na lang natin yung 0. Kaya ang sagot ay 220 feet squared.